Today I'm going to show you the Air Travel Duffel. It's a sturdy, minimalistic duffel that's easy to carry and even easier to pack. I love the simple design and sturdy materials. The huge main compartment holds your clothes and gear, while a few well-placed pockets organize your electronics and smaller items. I really like the 1680 denier material used on the exterior of the Air Travel Duffel. It's durable yet soft to the touch, with a much thicker weave pattern than most other nylon fabrics. They use the largest, most durable hardware that you can get in a travel pack, with large YKK zippers and Duraflex hardware. The main compartment and then this front slash pocket here both use huge number 10 zippers with a smaller number 8s on the other exterior pockets. However, only this main compartment is lockable, and there's no good way to secure this laptop compartment other than connecting it with this top compression strap. The fabric is considered to be water resistant, and it definitely is, but this is more due to the thick basket weave fabric than to any kind of waterproofing coating. Both the front compartment here and the laptop compartment use these YKK AquaGuard zippers, which definitely help prevent leaks and make the bag look nice, but you shouldn't consider this a waterproof pack. The exterior of the Air Travel Duffel is sleek and minimalist, with 2 exterior pockets, a laptop compartment, compression straps, a water bottle pocket, top and side carry handles, and a crossbody shoulder strap. The exterior pockets are well placed and well organized. The front slash pocket is huge with several inches of its own volume. Inside there are 3 small dividers, a zippered pocket, and then a large big divider that's large enough for a tablet. The rest of this pocket is easily large enough for a jacket or some other bulky item, but it's going to be a tight squeeze to get it in there. This slash pocket that's located behind the top carry handle is unpadded, and it looks small, but it's actually large enough to hold my sunglasses, my cell phone, my travel adapter, and my travel wallet all at the same time. The water bottle pocket on the Air Travel Duffel is large and well designed. It's located on the side of the bag, and when not in use, you can barely see it's here, but when you use it, you can fit a surprisingly large water bottle in there pretty easily. This pocket is held in place with this hidden stretchy cord on the side here that expands to fit almost any size water bottle you want to put in here. Smaller water bottles fit in there just fine, and then you can pretty easily fit large water bottle, pretty much any size you want to fit in here. And because the bag is oriented to carry facing up this way and to stand facing up, you don't need to worry about your water bottle falling out. The laptop compartment on the Air Travel Duffel is a top access pocket located on the back of the bag. With decent foam padding on both the front and the back, it has a large water resistant number 8 YKK zipper, but unfortunately there's no good way to lock this thing except to attach it by the zipper pull to this top compression strap. This pocket is large enough to hold up to a 15-inch laptop. I have a 15.6-inch Dell Inspiron here, and it fits in there perfectly fine with plenty of room to wiggle around. Unfortunately, this thing doesn't have a false bottom, so the bottom of the pocket pretty much goes down all the way to the bottom of the pack, and there's really just this kind of thin piece of padding right here to protect your laptop from damage in the bottom of the bag. The Air Travel Duffel has 2 modes of carry. There's a crossbody shoulder strap and then a top and side carry handle. The shoulder strap is a thick nylon strap that attaches to the end of the bag with these beefy Duraflex clips. The shoulder pad is made with 2 layers of padding. There's this thicker, firm foam backing on the back here, and then a soft, breathable foam on the underside where it touches your shoulder. For me, duffel bags are always easy to carry around for short trips, but tend to become uncomfortable over long durations. And at 35 liters, the Air Travel Duffel is definitely on the large size of what I would want to carry around with only a crossbody shoulder strap and no backpack carry strap options. The shoulder strap is decently padded and works great for short carry durations, but I would like to see a little bit thicker and wider if I was planning on using this as my only international travel pack. I've taken this thing on several multi-day business trips so far, and it's great. It's really easy to transport, carry short distances through airports and in and out of hotels, but I've yet to carry it around on a long duration international trip. The main compartment on the Air Travel Duffel is large and straightforward to pack. The entire lid opens from the side and flips up to reveal this large suitcase style main compartment with a large mesh zippered pocket on the lid. You can pack this thing any way you like, but I like to use packing cubes, especially for duffel bags, because they help keep your gear organized in this large main compartment. The air packing cubes aren't compatible with the travel duffel, so I tested out a few other packing cubes and I found these worked pretty well in here. This is the Eagle Creek Medium Spectre compression cubes, and these are about 14 inches long by 10 inches by about 3 or 4 inches wide, depending on if they're compressed or not. And 2 of these fit pretty much perfectly in the bottom of the pack, or you could kind of stack them up on end here. And this leaves you with about half the volume of the room to put the rest of your clothes and gear in there. So I have a small packing cube here with my socks and underwear, toiletry kit, and then there's plenty of room left over if you wanted to put a pair of shoes. I have a rain jacket and then a little puffy jacket here. In summary, the Air Travel Duffel is a well-designed bag with great exterior and interior organization made from durable materials and hardware. So far, I've used this mostly for business travel and it works really great. It's sleek, professional, well-designed, and easy to clean. It's easy to pack this main compartment, but it has enough room in the external pockets to keep your electronics and small gear organized. My main critiques on this bag are the laptop compartment. With no way to easily lock the zipper and no false bottom, these are pretty big oversights in an otherwise awesome pack. I like the AquaGuard zippers. They make the outside of the bag look cool, but Air could have increased the water resistance by adding a DWR coating to the fabric. And then the shoulder strap is great for short duration carry, but the padding isn't thick enough to carry a pack of this size around all day. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you have any questions about the Air Travel Duffel, then please let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer any questions. And again, if you like videos like this, bag reviews, bag comparisons, packing demos, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.